What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's another episode of experimenting with colors, and this time around I will be using the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette and the Profusion Velvet Matte palette. I'll show you the inside of the Aurora Lights palette. Here's what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorge. And then obviously I'll open this one so you can see what it looks like. So here is what the inside of the Velvet Mattes from Profusion looks like. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright guys, we're coming at you with another episode of experimenting with colors, and this time around I'm going to be using two palettes. So I'm going to use the Aurora Lights by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the Velvet Mattes by Profusion as like my transition and all of that. So we're going to start off with this palette right here. So I'm going to take BH brush. I'm going to dip into the shade, Indulge right here and start my transition. But first, let me zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I've done that. So now I'm going to go into the shade. I'm going to go into the shade Ablaze right here and deepen this up. Alright, so I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go back into that first color and kind of blend this out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take this is the e.l.f. smudge brush right here, and I'm going to go into that Ablaze shade and kind of hit that outer corner of my lower lid. Alright, so obviously I'll go off camera, put that primer on my lid, be right back. Alright, so I've primed these lids, so now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. I'm going to go into the shade, what is this? Australis right here, and put this on the outer portion of my top lid. So now we're going to go into the shade Glowing right here. That shade right there. Put this on the inner portion of my lid. So now we're going to now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush right here. Do what I normally do, spray. I'm going to take that glowing and, you know, get that inner bottom portion of my lid. Alright, and then last but certainly not least, we're going to go into the shade Ombre right here and hit this inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look using both the, grab those, the Velvet Matte palette from Profusion and the Aurora Lights palette from BH Cosmetics. I haven't used this palette in a minute, so I thought I saw it and I was like, let me use it. And so then I actually like this palette. If you are able to get your hands on this one, get it, because the mattes in here are really nice. They, as you can see, like, they're very pigmented. I was pleasantly surprised because there are other Profusion palettes that I was just kind of like, it's okay, but this one, if you're looking for just like an all matte palette, I personally just use this mostly for transitions and deepening up my crease. But I mean, it's a nice palette, so I would highly recommend this. If you can find it at Target, you're fabulous. But if not, just go to the Profusion website. I'm almost certain that they sell it there, so go ahead and get your hands on this one. But obviously this one, it's all shimmers, so can't go too wrong with this. And this is their baked formula, and I really like their baked formula. It's a really nice formula. So if you like this look, comment down below, and obviously before we leave, you already know what you gotta do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I'm posting videos, and then click that like button letting me know they're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time guys, deuces.